unang-una para po dun sa Senate hearings. Of course, we respect the position of the Senate, but sa akin kasi, kung hindi nakakatulong sa bansa, ba't pa natin pag-uubusan ng oras at panahon? Nakita na naman natin na nag-issue na ng statement ang PDEA. Diniscredit na nila yung document. Wala daw katotohanan yon. Tapos pati yung credibility ng hinarap na witness, questionable. So sa akin, kung yun na yun, di yun na yun. Ba't pa natin bibigyan pa ng more attention? Why don't we focus our efforts, our resources in more important matters such as the rice tariffication law, amending it? Why don't we focus our attention in going against those price manipulators, those hoarders, those scrupulous businessmen behind the increase in rising prices na nagpapahirap sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino? Bakit hindi natin tutukan yung mga problema na hinaharap ng ating bansa na mas may kinalaman sa pag-angat ng antas ng buhay ng ating mga kababayan? So sa akin, this is a mere political circus. I think this is part of a bigger orchestrated destabilization movement against the Marcos administration. And I do hope and I pray to our colleagues in the Senate na let's focus on issues that have more national significance to the lives of the Filipino people.